right, guys, here we go. XR Football 6-box break number 14E. Team owners, we got ATL going to Mitch. AZ going to Gregor. Ravens going to Brain Damage. Bills going to Jeff P. Panthers going to Riley. Bengals going to Trav. Browns going to Riley. Cowboys Nikki C. Broncos Otis. Detroit Gregor. Packers Matt K. Texans Mitch. Colts L. Jags L. Chiefs Travis. Chargers going to Eric. Rams going to Mark N. Dolph going to Trav. Vikings Mary Boberry. Patriots Una. Saints Craig P. Giants Grouch. Jets Gregor. Oaktown going to Mitch. Eags going to Ray Sports Cards. Steelers going to Amber Waves of Grain. Let's see. We got 49ers going to Scotty. Seahawks going to Hazy. Tampa Bay Bucks going to Tarzan. And Tennessee Titans going to I Eat Beef. Any vegetarians, he's still calling out. Any vegetarians want to take him on in the cage. So any vegetarians that want to step forward, let me know. And we'll set up the match. It's up to you guys, whoever vegetarians are out there. So far, nobody's come forward. I mean, it's like just load up on some tofu during training. Somebody's like, dude, I eat tofu. What's the big deal? All right. Nothing against it. I'm just saying. I'm not discriminating against tofu. I personally don't like it, but... Here we go, guys. We got a rookie, number to 249. Noah, that guy. That is for the Dolphins. And for the Patriots, 249, we got Stephon Gilmore, 249. Stephon. Ooh, nice patch. For the Ravens, we got an Emerald, number to 5. J.K. Dobbins for the Ravens. Rookie for the Rave. Patch, number to 5. Nice card. Nice looking CAD. We got Dalton Keene, rookie auto, number to 199. Good old Dalton for the Patriots. Oh yeah, good old Dalton. Oh yeah, that's right. And we got a rookie, Brandon A. YUK for the 49ers. Yuck. Hey, yuck. We got a rookie, Cam Akers, 199. Does Cam Akers have hits in 2020 football? I forgot. And we got Drew Brees, number to 49 for the Saints. And Joey Buttafuoco Burrow, 149 Extreme for the Bengalis. Hey, Joey, get over here. And Drew Brees to 49. And we got a rookie patch auto XL, one of Nicky C's boys right here, number to 49. Clyde Edwards-Helaire to 49. Nice looking card. Going to KC. And we got a rookie of Colin Johnson for Jaguars. Nick Chubb. 249. Zach Ertz. Eags. Number to 10 gold. Xavier McKinney for the Giants. And number to 49. Brandon Cooks to 49. Brandon Cooks to 49. Brandon Cooks to 49. And Xavier McKinney, Giants gold to 10. It's no longer Brandon Cooks to 99. It is now Brandon Cooks to 49. Set a new precedent. We got an XX rookie jersey, number to 49. Chase Young. And potential ink, Shaquille Barrett to 25, Tampa Bay. What do you say, Tampa Bay? And Brian Edwards rookie for the Raiders. Rookie to 75, Henry Ruggs III. Number to 99, Nick Bosa for the 49ers. Henry Ruggs for the Raiders. Number to 75. And we got X Factor. That is number to 99, Ezekiel Elliott for the Cowboys. Number to 99. Is the Brandon Cooks to 99 video still on out there? And we got a rookie excellence jersey auto, Pirine to 49. For the Jets. And a rookie, Cole McDonald for the Titans. And we got Herbie. Justin Herb, number to 199. I don't think I've pulled Herbert that much before. Rookie 199, Herbie Hancock. And 199, Michael Thomas for the Saints. What Elcat? For the Ravens, triple patch. 2/25, J.K. Dobbins. Cool looking patch card. Baltimore Rave. Who do you got, L? I forgot. You haven't even done a transfer. And we got a rookie auto, 199, Quez Watkins for the Eagles. Colts and Jags. I didn't see a transfer. We got a rookie, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. I mean, you got to pull out all stops, man. There we go. Colts and Jags transfer now. There you go. Rookie, 249, Kyle Duggar. 99, Jamal Adams, Jets. Sorry, I didn't know it was so low on the camera. X Factor, CeeDee Lamb rookie, 149 for the Cowboys on this CeeDee. And we got a transfer. Instantaneous transfer request filled. Rookie triple patch auto. Jacob Eason for the Colts. Numbered to 15. Instantaneous transfer. Told you, man. It's like, come on. Duh. And we got a rookie, Jason Huntley, for the Lions. You know, MMB TV, it's like, do you trust in the transfer or not, you know? Oh, he's asking for a double transfer. He's trying to use up all the transfers and expire them. Jags and Colts transfer now. He transfer requested. I transfer every request. Exactly. And we got number to 249, Brandon Cooks. There he goes again. And number to 49, nice, Justin Jefferson, rookie to 49 for the Vikes. There we go, Vikes. Numbered to 49, JJ. And for the Colts, T.Y. Hilton, number to 99. For the Chiefs, we got an XR XL jersey rookie, Clyde Edwards-Helaire again. Helaire doing hair. Ancestors are the first ones to create a cream type substance to put on the body to lose hair. And we got a rookie autograph for the Chiefs. Clyde Edwards-Helaire again to 49. Clyde getting nutty on us. And a rookie, Joe Reed, Chargers. Mahomes, what up, Holmes? Chiefs are on fire. For the Jets, we got a printing plate, 1/1. Pirine. For the Jets, little P-Ryan action. Number to 75, Golden Tate, Giants. Barry Sanders to 99. And we got a redemp. We have a redemp. Did I mention we have a redemption? I forgot. We got a rookie XL swatch auto for the Washington Chase Young. Nice hit for Washington, Chase Young. And Cole Kmet, however you say it, for the Bears. We got a rookie number to 199, Logan Wilson, Bengals. Austin Eckler to 99 for the Chargers. And we got an XR rookie, Antonio Gibson to 99 for Washington team. You know what I mean? You get what I'm talking about. And we got a rookie jersey auto XR 249 or 149. I'm sorry, J.K. Dobbins for the Ravens. Ravenite Social Club, John Gotti. And we got A.J. Terrell, ATL Falcons. There we go. Oh yeah, Dobbins don't mess around when it comes to breaks. Dobbins and Duvernay are everywhere. $249 rookie Chase Claypool for the Steelers. Odell Beckham Jr. $199 for the Browns. Chase Claypool. And we got a nice triple patch rookie, A.J. Dillon. Number to 10, gold for Green Bay. Nice hit for GB. And we got a rookie auto, Willie Gay Jr. to 199 for the Chiefs again. And a rookie of Malcolm Perry, Dolphins. There we go. We need a 15-box Mazda. Good luck, everybody. Rookie 249, Antoine Winfield Jr., Dave's son, for Tampa Bay. And Derek Carr 249 for the Raiders. And an identical card, but jersey this time. A.J. Dillon, triple jersey to 75 this time. And for the Cowboys, we got a rookie autograph 199 of Bradley Henry. Not sure how to say it, but there he is. Henry Boubet. C.J. Henderson for the Bills rookie. Last pack. If you want some, come get some. I'm not a Phoenix. Did I transfer again, Ellie? I forgot. We got Marlon Mack. I totally forgot if I transferred for L again. And we got 199 rookie Isaiah Simmons for the Cardinals. Oh, I didn't. Okay. Darn it. Nice. Magic's gone. Levon Bell to 99. Only one transfer request from everybody tonight. To 99, Lynn Bowden Jr. Extreme Blue to 99 for the Raiders again. And we got a rookie patch auto. Numbered to 75, JT, a.k.a. Jonathan Taylor, a.k.a. Jive Turkey, for the Colts. To 75. And we got a rookie, Jordan Love, the Love Machine. There it is, y'all.